Ever wondered how to make your protagonist truly unforgettable? Let's dive into the art of creating flawed characters. Tip number 1. Give your protagonist a relatable flaw. This makes them more human and relatable. For example, they might struggle with self-doubt. This adds depth and complexity to their character. Tip number 2. Show how their flaw affects their decisions and relationships. A protagonist who is overly trusting might get betrayed, creating tension and growth opportunities. Tip number 3. Avoid making their flaw too extreme. Balance is key. An overly flawed character can become unlikable. Aim for imperfections that are believable. Tip number 4. Use their flaw to drive the plot forward. A protagonist's fear of failure can push them to take risks, leading to exciting story developments. Tip number 5. Show their growth. Let them learn from their flaws. A character who overcomes their impatience can become more strategic and thoughtful. Tip number 6. Make their flaw relevant to the story's theme. If your story is about redemption, a flaw like guilt can be central to their journey. Tip number 7. Reflect their flaw in their dialogue and actions. A character who is insecure might hesitate before speaking, adding layers to their personality.